And speaking of, let's turn things back over to Dennis Shanahan now, who has been tracking this storm. And Dennis, we've seen a lot this weekend. A little break in the cloud action right now. It's kind of a gorgeous shot.
It's looking great in downtown Sacramento. By the way, I don't put any faith in a survey like that, a study like that.
About what are we, like a month, a little over a month out?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Long-term forecasting, as sophisticated as the models have gotten, really anything beyond 10 days can change dramatically.
Plus, who in our area is going to buy a plane ticket to Vermont just to see some snow when you can go up to
drive 2 hours?
Truckee?
Not even 2 hours to the east, yeah. All right. Let's take a look at our temperatures outside. Kind of a mixed bag of temperatures. 54 in Sacramento, 60 in Stockton, 58 in Modesto, Vacaville 56, Marysville 53, Auburn, Jackson in the 40s. Blowing through these temperatures quickly because, of course, the story is not the temperatures, but the weather, what's coming down from the sky in the form of snow up there in the Sierra, eastbound Interstate 80 at Kingville. Yeah, now there's a car, but not many cars in the road right now, but you can see Caltrans has made the lanes, and they're open with chain controls. All right, as we see, satellite and radar showing the scattered shower pattern that's going to continue through tomorrow. So whereas yesterday we had prolonged periods of steady rain in Sacramento, what we'll continue to see through tonight and tomorrow, just scattered showers with long breaks in between, but heavy showers at times, as we've seen today, with some of these producing hail. And as we look to the east, it collects against that west slope of the Sierra. So that's why we see the steady snow from Blue Canyon all the way to Truckee. So Futurecast is showing things kind of lightening up tonight. We'll continue to see cloud cover. We'll continue to see snow in the Sierra, but not many rain showers overnight in the valley. But as we look toward tomorrow morning, the next little wave approaches very early in the morning and throughout the day tomorrow, just like we saw today, individual hit and miss showers, some of them heavy at times, could produce thunderstorms, as we saw some isolated thunderstorms today, and also hail. And if you're heading up into the Sierra, winter storm conditions are continuing up there through early tomorrow morning. So the winter storm warning, everything you see here in pink, the west slope, the crest, the Lake Tahoe Basin, that stays in effect through 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. Wouldn't be surprised if the National Weather Service extends it beyond that. Now, 1 to 3 feet of snow above 4,000 feet. We have already seen 1 to 2 feet, so another additional foot possible above the 7,000 foot elevation. So that snow level, 7,000 feet, dropping down as we speak, closer to 4,000 feet. Wind gusts to 50 miles per hour and above. That'll continue to be a feature. Chain controls, travel delays. Got it all going on. As far as Sacramento, tomorrow morning at 8, temperature about 48 degrees. By 10 o'clock, 53. By noontime, not much change in temperature. Matter of fact, just going to peak near 56 degrees with scattered showers tomorrow, Eric.